Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Let's start. Union Cabinet approved which of the following policy on February 28, 2019? National Agricultural Policy, National Mineral Policy, National Manufacturing Policy or National Health Policy? The answer is B. National Mineral Policy 2019 has been approved by the Union Cabinet on Feb 28th. The main aim of this policy is to be more effective, meaningful and implementable policy that brings in transparency, better regulation and enforcement, as well as balanced social and economic growth and more sustainable approach while addressing the issues of those affected by the mining. Which of the following train runs between India and Pakistan? Maitri Express, Samjhauta Express, Azad Hind Express or Gatiman Express? The answer is B. Samjhauta Express. Recently Pakistan government and Indian government suspended Samjhauta Express. Maitri Express is the train that runs between India and Bangladesh. So remember these two trains, very important. Samjhauta Express, commonly called the Friendship Express, and it is a bi-weekly train, runs between Delhi and Attari in India and Lahore in Pakistan. So remember the places, very important. GDP growth estimate for the fiscal year 2018 to 19 has been slowed down from 7.2% to what percent? 7%, 6.8%, 6.6% or 6.5%? The answer is A. 7%. Government on Thursday revised the GDP estimates for the fiscal year 2018 to 19 and the GDP for this year is estimated to be 7% from earlier estimated 7.2%. The financial year GDP growth at 7% is the lowest in the last 5 years. GDP is the gross domestic product and the definition is very important. Many times asked in previous exams, it is the total finished value of goods and services produced in a country in a year. You need to know the other full forms also like GNP, NNP, NDP, etc. Which of the following person to head RBI panel to keep rupees stable? Shaktikantha Das, Usha Thorat, Bimal Jalan, Nandan Nilekani. The answer is B. Usha Thorat. RBI panel heads are very important from exam point of view. Direct questions will be asked from this area, so concentrate on the RBI panels along with their heads. RBI has formed a task force on the offshore rupee market and it will be headed by the former Deputy Governor Usha Thorat. The panel will recommend steps for ensuring the stability of the currency. National Urdu Science Congress 2019 begins at which university? AMU is Aligarh Muslim University, MANUU is Maulana Azad National Urdu University, JNU is Jawaharlal Nehru University or Indira Gandhi National Open University. The answer is B. Maulana Azad National Urdu University. The 2-day National Urdu Science Congress 2019 will be held at this university. The university is located in the city of Hyderabad in Telangana. It was named after the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who is India's first Minister of Education. Remember this point, very important, previously asked. Which BJP leader said that the IAF attack on Balakot of Pakistan will help us win 22 seats in Karnataka? Sorry for the redundancy. The options are B.S.Yeddyurappa, Siddaramaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy or S.M. Krishna. Answer is A. B.S.Yeddyurappa. He was a former Chief Minister of Karnataka and he served 3 times as a Chief Minister and currently serves as a Leader of Opposition in Karnataka Legislative Assembly. As a BJP state president, B.S.Yeddyurappa faced backlash from the opposition and also from his partymen for forecasting gains in Lok Sabha polls from India's airstrikes in Balakot. Consider the following statements. Ceasefire violations by Pakistan across line of control in 2018 was 6 times higher than what it was in 2015. In 2018, there were nearly 3,000 violations. Which of the following statements are true? Only A, only B, both of the statements are true, or none? The answer is C, both the statements are true. Ceasefire violations by Pak across LOC in 2018 was 6 times higher than what it was in 2015. The report says so, and the people living near border in Jammu, Katwa, Samba, Rajouri and Poonch districts are most vulnerable to damage caused by ceasefire violations. Almost security personnel, around 38 and 31 civilians have been killed in 2018 recent cross-border conflicts. The Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize is given in the field of which category? Literature, Peace, Science and Technology, Music. The answer is C, Science and Technology. Every year on National Science Day, that is on February 28th, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize will be given. This prize for the science and technology is a science award in India given annually by the CSIR, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. This award is first given in the year 1958 and it is named after the founder of the director of the CSIR, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Let's see the question for the day. Which country skips the OIC meeting being held in Abu Dhabi? India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, UAE. We have already discussed briefly regarding OIC, then you need to know the full form of it, only then you can answer this. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Saurav Verma and Manu Baka won gold in which of the following mixed team event? The answer is A, 10-meter air pistol, as rightly answered by Malish Myakala, Sagar Hodmani and Srishti Tripathi. Thank you all guys for taking your time in replying answers. Do follow everyday current affairs so that you do not miss any important topics. Quote for the day: failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. So don't get disappointed if you didn't clear any exams. Learn from your mistakes and prepare wisely. This time you'll clear for sure. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.